Hi guys, welcome to my channel again. Today I'm going to show you uh, the what do you call this one? The cover to the stool that I saw. I already done one piece, and I'm going to show you here. I need to get that so you can see me. You can see the cover. Here's the cover. Let me. So here is the cover, guys, to my stool, and I already put inside the foam, but it looks like not really flat. I wish I cut the foam here, so it's not really looks like, seems like awkward. And I wanna show you I have the store here, how it looks like. Okay, very nice color. This is, see the store, very nice. I'm gonna get you closer here. So very nice, guys. And I guess I need to, because it's a little bit little bit loose, I need to fold this one and add a elastic so it will fit to the container and it won't be hung. So that's the cover. I finished one piece. So today I'm going to continue sewing. That's very nice. And here the edge, the hem, I need to fold here, I think 1 inch, so I can insert a elastic here, a garter, so it will fit to the container and it's not loose. So this is it, guys. A very nice cover. Still have 5 5 more to finish, so I'll just take a time here and I'll see you guys later, and I will show you all if I'm gonna everything will be done. So I would like to say goodbye for now. Thank you so much for watching my video. I really like the color, and please don't forget to click like and comments too, and of course please subscribe my channel. And thanks everyone. Bye for now. Thank you so much for watching my video and have a nice day. Hi guys, I'm starting sewing the hem, cover hem. So I just make it 1 inch fold and very nice stitches. Nice. And this is my elastic garter I'm going to use. So this is 2 inches the width, so I need to cut into 1/2 inch, I guess, because my fold here is 1 inch, so I'll just cut here a ½ inch. This is I use, you should see that I use elastic. So anyway, it cannot be seen outside, so this is perfect, guys. This is my available elastic garter here. So I just want to use everything that I have here. So this is not bad. So for to save some money, and this can still be used. So I did not throw it because before, because I know that someday this one is very useful. So I'll be back, guys, when I done sewing the hem here. Then I'm going to show you and fit to the container, the unique stool. I'll be back. Hi guys, I just done everything. Then I insert already the garter. Then I already locked the stitches here. So the garter, I join it also. Then, and now it's time for me to, there's a hanging thread here. Now it's time for me to fit to the container. See? Okay. Okay guys, now I need to insert the cover. So let's watch it. So tight, very tight. You should see. So I'm going to start sewing again, and here still have more here to be sewed. Then these are the cover, the moon top. I'm not sure where is my, oh, here it is. So this is my job for today, guys. It is Monday afternoon. It is, I think, 3 o'clock. And then I did not work on my garden today. I just water my plants there, and after that I start sewing again. I need to finish my project, so this two looks not so really ugly in the kitchen to look at. And anyway, I don't have any job, so this is my job for today, sewing the cover. So I'll be back, guys. I might be done here, I don't know when, because I'll just sew here if I have a spare time. And now that I can't work outside because it's so hot, and then what you gonna do there, hot, and we didn't have water, so I can't work on my garden. So I start sewing here. Okay, bye.